In an update, the man accused of randomly punching two people, including a Portland grandmother, faced a judge today after police arrested him for the second time in 2 weeks. A reminder, the attack, which was caught on camera, is tough to watch. Catherine Cook is here with the latest. Catherine.
David, the DA says this case represents a missed opportunity to protect our community from harm. He's frustrated, and so are the victims' family members, but they're also relieved the suspect is back in jail.
Good afternoon, Mr. Puerto Rios. Do you need...
It was the day in court families of two assault victims had been waiting for. The defendant, 24-year-old Santos Antonio Puerto Rios, is accused of punching two people at random just minutes apart on Southeast 122nd near Powell. He pleaded not guilty to all misdemeanor charges.
We were very relieved to know that this man is no longer on the streets.
By phone, Bianca shared an update on the first victim, her grandmother. Security video shows the 69-year-old was dumping the trash when a man police say was Puerto Rios walked by and punched her in the face, knocking her to the ground.
She's still wincing in pain every time she gets up and whatnot.
Police say 15 minutes later, Puerto Rios assaulted a 21-year-old man a few blocks away. Police arrested Puerto Rios after that second attack, but he was later released. Police rearrested him Tuesday when detectives linked him to the grandmother's attack. District Attorney Nathan Vasquez shared frustration over Puerto Rios' initial release, saying, quote, "We did file a PC affidavit in this case, asking that the defendant continue to be held in jail until we could get in front of a judge, but they were released before any judge read our affidavit. This is an infuriating example of a gap in Oregon law and represents a missed opportunity to protect our community from future harm." Bianca agrees.
I mean, the question I would raise is how many more victims do there need to be, before we start to take someone serious as a criminal?
And especially when there's news of what seems to be random assaults happening, that puts fear even more in folks. And so really hope that people can come to our workshops if they're able to.
Sarah Burkmeyer is with the city's Office of Violence Prevention. She teaches a free self-defense class every month at the Midland Branch Library on 122nd, not far from the attacks. She hopes community members will join her for the next one, December 17th.
It's really focused on empowerment skills. So knowing your own intuition, knowing how to be assertive in situations that feel unsafe, knowing what some of your options are for escaping those situations.
Back in court.
So, Mr. Puerto Rios, the court also has concerns about community safety.
The judge set bail for Puerto Rios at $20,000 and ordered him not to contact the victims. His lawyer acknowledged that Puerto Rios is on medication for a mental health diagnosis, but didn't elaborate beyond that. In Southeast Portland, Catherine Cook, KGW News.